Sugar cakes. A dessert from Saint Kitts and Nevis. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Boil sugar and water to form a light syrup. Step 2. When bubbles the size of small pearls appear, add grated coconut and cream of tartar. Step 3. When the coconut mixture comes away from the sides of the pan easily, remove from heat and beat with a spoon for 3 to 5 minutes. Step 4. Add essence and food coloring and mix well. Step 5. Drop by spoonfuls on an oiled cookie or enamel tray. Step 6. Allow to harden completely. Step 7. Store in an airtight container. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.